work is done. Hello everyone, I thought I would vlog a little bit. Conrad to do some sight words today. He did the, of course, name. Still learning how to do the lowercase letters on that one line, but getting much better. Now that homeschool is done for the day, it is almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, but I made a small banana pudding. So I have some vanilla wafers, some cut up bananas of course, and instead of banana pudding in there, I had to grab vanilla because Walmart was just wiped out of everything. And I'm slowly starting to decorate for fall. So I want to do a video on this stuff, so I don't want to show you too much. But did banana pudding. I'm putting this in the refrigerator for later after dinner. And tonight we're having taco salad with Doritos. Yesterday I went to Walmart. I haven't unbagged some of this stuff. I've got some plain chips, some Doritos, some apples, some Minecraft Creeper cereal. See, I grabbed the bananas. Already been using those. Let's see. Refried beans and mild chunky taco sauce. This stuff is actually really good. And of course I got lettuce, tomato, and all that stuff's in the fridge. And Connor snacks. We got some fruits, friends for kids, and an orchid apple fruit sauce. I'm not sure about these, but he seemed to like them. He picked these out. Orange cups. We had burgers last night, so that's where the buns are from. We're gonna freeze the rest of those. I always like to buy the 12-pack. We always use usually 4 at a time, and then I freeze the rest and pull them out as I need them. So that makes us 3 meals. And yeah, I'm gonna pop this in the fridge and get ready to get Allie. Yes, we have to babysit today as well, so I'm so glad we got our schooling done. And I'm going to prep dinner stuff after I put this away, and then I'll have Allie. Before I prep my veggies for taco salad, I want to talk about this coffee creamer. I picked up another one of these at Walmart. It's Great Value brand, and this is like the best vanilla coffee creamer ever. I'm not a fan of caramel. I've mentioned it many times on my channel, but this is delicious. It's vanilla caramel, but it's, to me, it's more vanilla than anything. And it is so good. I can't find pumpkin spice right now, but this stuff is amazing. You need to try it. You hear the dog scratching? He needs to be fed. I'm going to do that. I'm also trying to get my dishes done later. Yeah. And I don't know if you guys, any of you do this, but I got a dish pan from the DollarTree. And I put all the dishes in here. And there's a plate here. So if I need to use both sides of my sink, I can just pull this out. So I love this idea, so I thought I'd share that with you. And since we're in the kitchen here and I'm doing a little bit of a vlog for you guys, my nanny picked me up some really cute stuff at the Dollar General. She said just because she thought of me when she saw them. And this dish towel says fall. I love fall most of all. And oh my gosh, we have a little red dragon and it is so adorable. I love decorating for fall. And then we also have this one, and it says bless this home. These are not microfiber, which I am very excited about. I do not like microfiber kitchen towels, only for like a decoration, but not to actually use. I don't think they absorb well and stuff. I'm not a fan. And then she picked me up these decorative LED candles. They come with a remote as well. They light up. She said that they had pumpkins and they had these leaves, and she thought that we could carry through all the way into November if she picked me up the leaves versus the pumpkins. And I love them. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to decorate with these. I gave him a haircut last night too. Yep, this mama does it all. I swear. I cook and homeschooling and haircutting and makeup and nails. Are you tired from doing school today? Yeah. Are you resting? Resting and watching FTV. So don't you just hate when this happens? So obviously I bought a 3-pack of tomatoes. And I'm getting ready to wash them and everything, and you pull it out, and they're in like this, down, facing down. And look at that! Just waste my money on this produce. That one is too. This looks to be like maybe the only decent one. After all the meal prep, I lit a maple Belgian waffle candle. Finished cleaning up the kitchen. I have vanilla caramel wax in my wax burner. For dinner we had taco salad like I mentioned. I'm doing a voiceover now because the house was really hectic. I was watching Allie for the evening. Connor also, I'm getting ready to do the dishes and stuff too. Again, he is in there playing with his army men. So I have dishes, clean dishes, getting ready to rinse those dishes, and now our dishes are done. So countertops, stovetop is cleaned up and ready for the next day. I'm also listening to 13 Reasons Why soundtrack. I have to mute that out as well. Can't do that. So after all of this, and we watched Gremlins with Connor. He absolutely loves the Gremlins, and so we watched this movie again this evening with him. This is twice this week. He just, like I said, he loves it. And then it was for bedtime, and I painted my nails white with this LA Colors Glows in the Black Light nail polish. And after that, we ended our night, John and I playing Overcooked. Hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, day in the life. It's nothing special, but I always like to share with you guys. And I haven't done a mommy vlog in a while. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Check the description box for additional links. Thank you so very much for watching.